Good afternoon, students. Last period we have seen poem Okan Little Sloth. Okay. Today we are going to learn Okan Little Sloth. Okan Little Sloth. Exercise or homework. Okay. Workshop. Little Sloth. Today we see workshop. Who is the speaker of this poem? Child or father? Who is the speaker? The child is the speaker. Okay. Read the poem aloud. Okay. Then first I read the poem. Walk a little slow, Daddy, said a little child so small. I am falling in your footsteps, and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So, walk a little slower, Daddy. Walk a little slower, Daddy. For you are leading me. Someday, when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. And I would want to live just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slow, Daddy. Walk a little slow, Daddy. Because for I must follow you. I must follow you. Author is unknown. Okay. Put the words given in brackets in the proper blanks. Okay. First, the dash dash is talking to its dash dash. Filling the blanks. First, father or child? Child. Okay. The child is talking to its father. The father is not talking to his child. The child is talking to his father. Second, B. The dash dash is leading. Who is leading? Father or child? Who is guiding? The father is guiding. The father is leading. What means leading? Leading means guide. To lead, to guide. Okay? Lead means guide. And the father is leading and the child is falling. Who is falling? The child is falling. Okay. Then after that, see. Someday the dash dash will become a dash dash. Who will become father? The child will become a father. Someday the child will become a father. Okay. After that, D. The dash dash does not wish to fall while falling its dash dash. Who is not falling? Who? The child. The child does not wish to fall because while falling its dash dash who? Father. The child does not wish to fall while falling its father. And after that, see page number 4. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Which are the rhyming words in this poem? We see now. Small, fall. Okay. See, me. Be, me. Okay. These are the rhyming words. Pairs of rhymes. And second, in this the words is a falling pair, so they are related words. Okay. Daddy, father, related words. Child, follow, lead. These are the verb, and first daddy, father, child. These are the noun, but they are related words. Okay, and find 5 more pairs of related words. Example: teacher, student. Okay, then a doctor, patient, and give, take, easy, hard, and paper, pen, bread, butter, teaching, learning. Bread, butter, teaching, learning, easy, harder. These are the related words and the related pairs. Okay. Then the child in the poem requests his father to walk slower. Here the poet implies that the child wants to understand his father's actions better. The child would like to act the same way, but wants the father to be more understanding toward the child's needs. What is implied in the following lines? First, sometimes your steps are fast, which is the lines that the child implied that in this line I explained it. Sometimes your steps are very fast. The child said to his father, sometimes your steps are very fast, your steps are very difficult. I don't know your problems. I don't know what are the problems in our path. So, oh daddy, walk a little slower, because he understands these difficulties. So he said to his father, walk a little slower, daddy, because sometimes your steps are very fast, and these steps are I don't know that sometimes your steps are hard to see. And he said to his father that the steps are very hard, and I don't understand these steps, these difficulties. So he said to his father, please daddy, walk a little slower, daddy, walk a little slower, daddy. This lines repeated in his poem. And the child requests his father. And third, I would want to live just right. He said to his father, I would want to live just right. I like correct path. You follow this, but I must follow you. And so I take this right path. And so you guide me. And last line, and know that I was true. The child said, I know that's correct path. Your path is very correct and I know it. Okay? And education. Using your own ideas, frame 3 sentences that show continuous action. In this example, we see continuous action. Okay? Continuous tense. But which is the continuous tense? Past, present and future. I taught layer tense. Okay. You are leading me. Which is the tense in this line, in this sentence? Identify the tense. You are leading me. You are leading me. You, what is you? Subject. Are, auxiliary. Okay. M is are. Leading, that the verb, but V1 and plus ing. Okay. Verb V1 plus ing plus object. Me is object. Okay. That's called present continuous tense. Okay. Present. Make many sentences in your notebook. Okay. Present continuous tense. You are leading me. I tell you that the many sentence I am telling you homework. I am guiding you. You are seeing video. These are the examples of present continuous tense. Okay. Make present continuous tense sentence and past continuous tense. Okay. Today I stop here. Remaining part of this workshop we will see the next lecture.